Good morning, my dear kids. Now moving ahead, and today we are going to learn about subtraction of capacities. How we can subtract the capacities. And again, the word subtraction we are very familiar, means to reduce the number by subtracting. So here the first sum. Again you can see that liters are written in the column of liters and milliliters they are written in the column of milliliters. Right? Now as usual, whatever we perform for subtraction, same thing over here we have to perform. The first one, 95 liters 392 ml minus 36 liter 382 ml. So let's perform the subtraction. 2 minus 2, it will be 0. 9 minus 8, it will be 1. 3 minus 3, it will be 0. 5 minus 6, it is not possible, so 9 will become 8 and 5 will become 15. So now 15 minus 6, it will be 9 and 8 minus 3, it will be 5. So your answer will be 59 liter 010 ml. Right? Are you getting? Right? It is again very easy task. Right? Second one. 99 liters 409 ml minus 37 liters 459 ml. Again same. 9 minus 9. It will be 0. 0 minus 4 is not, 5 is not possible, so this 4 will become 3 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, it will be 5. 3 minus 4, again it is not possible, so 9 will become 8 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 4, it will be 9. 8 minus 7, again it will be 1, and 9 minus 3, that will be 6. So that will be 61 liter 950 milliliter. Right? Again it is easy one. Right? Are you getting me? Next one. 86 liter 459 ml minus 47 liter 323 milliliter. So direct subtraction. 9 minus 3. So that will be 6. 5 minus 2, it will be 3. 4 minus 3, it will be 1. 6 minus 7, it is not possible. So 8 will become 7 and this 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 7, it will be 9. And 7 minus 4, it will be 3. So what is the final answer? That is 39 liters 136 ml. Right? Are you getting that? Fourth one. 19 liter 147 ml minus 14 liter 028 ml. Again, try to subtract. 7 minus 8. It is not possible. So this 4 will become 3 and this 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 8, that will be 9. 3 minus 2, it will be 1. 1 minus 0, again it will be 1. 9 minus 4, it will be 5. And 1 minus 1, 0. So your final answer will be 5 liters 119 ml. Right? So are you getting me that how to subtract this number? Yeah, very easy, right? We can easily solve that one. Next, subtract 34 liter 345 ml from 68 liter 245 ml. Now again here you can say statement is given to you. That statement we have to arrange in column form, right? So that will be liter and milliliter. For first one, 34 liter below milliliter we have to write milliliter minus, oh sorry, from is given to you. Again be careful, from is given to you. Devil, whenever devil appears, the last digit will come first, so that will be 68 liters to 45 milliliters. Are you getting me? Whenever from arises, the devil arises, at that time backside number must be written first one. So 68 liter with that 245 ml minus 34 liter with that 345 ml. Again it is very easy to subtract. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 3 is not possible, so I have to move ahead. So this 8 will become 7 and 2 will become 12, right? So again 12 minus 3, that will be 9, 7 minus 4, that will be 3, and 6 minus 3, that will be 3. So the answer will be 33 liters 900 ml. Right? Are you getting me? Whenever from arises, be careful with that. Subtract 22 liters 330 ml. Again you can see that the devil appears. That is from 43 liter 524 milliliter. We have to again arrange in column as liter and milliliter. So from is there, so backside number will come first. So 43 524 minus 22 330. Now try to subtract the number. 4 minus 0, so it will be 4. 2 minus 3, it is not possible. 5 will become 4, 2 will become 12. 12 minus 3, that will be 9. 4 minus 3, it will be 1. 3 minus 2, it will be 1. And 4 minus 2, it will be 2. So what will be the final answer? So that will be 21 liters 194 ml. Right? So in this way we can subtract the capacities. Next one. Subtract 13 liter 261 ml from 83 liter 837 ml. So again statement is given to you. So again we will bifurcate it. So liter and milliliter. So 13 liter 261 ml. Sorry, not that. Again you can see that from is given to you. Right? આપણે તો ભૂલી નહીં જવાનું આવે છે. શું આપ્યું છે? From આપ્યું છે. So backside number will come first. So that will be 83 liter 837 milliliter minus 13 liter 261 milliliter. And try to subtract 7 minus 1, so it will be 6. 3 minus 6, it is not possible. So 8 will become 7 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 1, 7. So your final answer will be 70 liters 576 milliliter. Are you getting me there? How to solve that? Eighth one. From the sum of 21 liter 354 ml and 25 liter 610 ml, subtract this quantity. Means what? First we will find the sum of this bracket. બરાબર, પહેલા આપણે કેપેસિટીઝ નું શું કરવાનું છે? સમ કરવાનું છે. જે આન્સર આવશે તેમાં આપણે પેલો નંબર માઈનસ કરવાનો છે. તો again bifurcating that number as liter, milliliter, 21 354 plus 25 610. So first we will take the sum of these two quantities. So that will be 4 6 9 6 4. Now this from this sum આપણો જે sum આવ્યો છે, what is the sum? 46 liter 964 ml. We will going to minus the last quantity, that is 40 and 380 milliliters. समझ पड़े છે કે પહેલા sum કરી લેવાનો છે, જે આન્સર આવે તે આન્સર માંથી સબટ્રેક્શન કરવાનું છે. ચાલો 4 minus 0 4, 6 minus 3 3, 9 minus 8 1, 6 minus 6 0, that is 6, 4 minus 4, that is 0. So the answer will be 6 liter 134 milliliter. Are you getting me? Next, subtract 64 milliliter 64 liter 128 milliliter from 100 liters. How much subtract કરવાનું છે? 100 liters માંથી. So here liter and milliliter. So 100 liter with 100 liter, is there any milliliter? No. So we have to place 0. Why 30? Because milliliter contains 3 digits. Minus 64 and 128. Nothing is there, so we have to place 0. समझ पड़े છે કે શું કર્યું છે તે? થાવ 100 લિટર સાથે મિલીલીટર નથી, તો મારે શું પ્લેસ કરવું પડશે? 000 પ્લેસ કરવું પડે. ચાલો, can I subtract anything from 0? Can I borrow anything from 0? No. So I have to move towards the first number. So 1 will become 0, this will become 9, again this will become 9, this will become 9, 9, and finally the last will become 10. We are very familiar about it. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. And 9 minus 6, that is 3. And 0 minus 0, 0. So that will be 35 liters 872 ml. समझ पड़े? એટલે જ્યારે બી મારી પાસે મિલીલીટર મેન્શન નહીં થયું હશે, at that time I have to use 0 0 and 0. Last one, a drum of capacity 10 liter. મારી પાસે એક ડ્રમ છે, એ ડ્રમની કેપેસિટી કેટલી છે? 10 liters ની છે. Means what? From top to bottom it can occupy 10 liter of water. કેટલું liter? 10 liter. Has 7 liter 430 ml of water. આ ડ્રમની અંદર આટલું વોટર છે. કેટલું વોટર છે? That is 7 liter 430 ml. આટલું વોટર ડ્રમની અંદર છે એમ કે છે. How much more water is needed? કેટલું વોટર જોઈશે? જો એમ્પ્ટી સ્પેસ છે ને તેને ભરવાનું છે, તો કેટલું વોટર needed to pour it to fill it up? આખું ભરી લેવાનું છે. તો આખાની કેપેસિટી કેટલી છે? 10 લીટર. તેમાં આટલું ઓલરેડી છે, તો કેટલું ઘટે? For that we are going to subtract the term. So again liter and milliliter. કેટલા લીટર્સ છે? 10 liter 000 milliliter. એની કેપેસિટી છે કોની? ડ્રમની. એની અંદર કેટલું છે? 7 liter 430 ml જેટલું છે પાણી. તો કેટલું રિક્વાયર્ડ છે? How much is needed? 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 3 not possible. I can't borrow anything from 0. So I have to move it 1. 1 will become 0. Again this 0 will become 9 and this minus 0 will become 10. 10 minus 3, that will be 7. 9 minus 4, that will be 5. 9 minus 7, it will be 2 and 0. So that is 2 liter 570 ml of water is needed. આટલું પાણી હજુ જોઈએ છે શાના માટે મારું કન્ટેનર કેટરમને ફૂલ કરવા માટે. Are you getting me? And again it is very easy to compute with subtraction of capacity. Thank you.